How to set a SpreadJS distribution license key. In this video, we'll show how to apply a hostname distribution key to license your SpreadJS application. First, register your hostname and generate the hostname distribution key through the My Licenses page in your Meshius account. If you are trialing SpreadJS, you can request a 30-day evaluation key by contacting us at us.sales@meshius.com. Click the Create Distribution Key action item next to the SpreadJS deployment license option. Register the hostname to which you plan to deploy SpreadJS. Select the hostname and click Generate Distribution Key. Notice the long string key is now shown below. Copy the long string distribution key to your clipboard, ensuring that you do not make any changes and that there are no spaces or line breaks. Within the SpreadJS application, apply the long string distribution key using the license key method before the workbook instance is initialized. The user can now interact with the licensed JavaScript spreadsheet instance. To learn more about SpreadJS licensing, or if you need to request a trial key, reach our sales team at us.sales@meshius.com.